Hi everyone. If a ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 80 feet per second, then the height after t seconds is given here. We're going to find the maximum height reached by the ball. That's when t would be 0. Find the velocity of the ball when it is 96 feet above the ground on its way up and on its way down. So the first thing we're going to do, notice that the maximum height of the velocity of the ball, maximum height of velocity of ball equals 0 feet per second. So we're going to find the velocity of t, and that is going to be s prime of t. And when you take the derivative of this, you get 80 minus 32t. So we're going to set these equal to each other. And solve for t. So we get 32t equals 80, and divide both sides by 32. So t equals 5/2. Okay, so the maximum height, which is like your y value, if this is t is your x value, so you're just going to plug it into your first equation, and you're going to get s of 5/2 equals, so this is going to be 80 times 5 divided by 2 minus 16 times 5 divided by 2 squared, and that's going to give you 200 minus 100, which equals 100 feet. So that's the maximum height of the velocity of the ball. And remember, when you're talking about it's equal to 0, because that's flat right there. At this time, it's not going up and it's not going down. All right, now what do we have to do? We have to find the velocity of the ball when it's 96 feet above the ground on its way up and then also on its way down. So let's do that. So what you do is you write your s of t equals 80t minus 16t squared. And we want s of t to equal 96 feet. So just put 96. And then let's clean this up and rewrite it. So we can rewrite this as 16t squared minus 80t plus 96 equals 0. Let's factor out a 16. So we're going to get t squared minus 5t plus 6 equals 0. And factor, so this can be 16 times t minus 3 times t minus 2 equals 0. So our 2 times are t equal 2 and t equal 3. So basically what you want to do is plug this into our velocity formula. Our velocity formula was, let's see, what was it? 80 minus 30t. So plug in 2, and we're going to also plug in 3. So when you plug in 2, you get 80 minus 32 times 2, which equals 15 feet per second. And let's plug in the 3. You get 80 minus 32 times 3, which equals negative 16 feet per second. So at time 2, that's going to be on the way up, because that's positive, And at time 3, that's going to be way on its way down, because that is negative. So I'll write that better. All right, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.